Hello and good afternoon, good evening to everybody over at Par Home Electrical. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. Wanted to get this custom video sent over to you guys showing how you can start to increase traffic to your guys' website and turn that traffic into actual paying customers so you guys can pay the bills, pay your employees, and help your community out without a worry in the world. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here and kind of dive and figure out what it takes, right? We have your guys' website. First things first, we're going to go over the website. Great looking website. I absolutely love this, that you got the video showing, hey, this is what we do. We're a badass company. We do really good work. I think that's phenomenal. I wouldn't change that for anything. I think that's super cool. You guys have your core values right here. That's great. What PAR stands for. All of this is amazing stuff to have on a website. But another thing we need to have is more content. Google loves content. They'll rank you way better for it. The average home page should have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content, and all your service pages should have anywhere between 750 to 500 words of content. Not just any kinds of content, right? Excuse me. You're probably wondering, Josh, content. Yeah, I get it. What kind of content do we need? Well, let me show you. One thing we can do is actually take your guys' website, your URL. We can bring it over into a tool like this. This is called Ahrefs. It's a rough guide. Free softwares and versions out there. Google offers their own, but this is the one we prefer to use. So we put your URL in up top, and it gives us a guide on where you guys are sitting right now online. You have 2.3 thousand backlinks. That's great. The numbers are there. 354 referring domains that are actually hosting those backlinks. You guys are targeting just about 800 keywords, and that's bringing you roughly 1,000 traffic to your guys' website every single month. So what we want to figure out, content, right? We want to figure out, hey, what keywords do we need? What keywords do we have, right? A lot of your guys' right now, it looks like it's PAR Electric. You guys are getting a ton of searches off your name alone, right? So that tells me you guys are probably already doing traditional marketing, right? You got a billboard somewhere where people are looking up, hey, what's PAR Electrical? They're looking you up. But when it comes down to it, we need to have more words like these. Electrical companies near me. 16,000 search volume every single month, right? The list goes on and on. Electrical contractor. We can compare and contrast our keywords as well as our backlinks to the top competition online, right? We want to figure out, hey, why is Jeremy, Kansas City Electric, why are these guys doing so well online? What the heck are they doing that we aren't doing? And we can figure it out right here, right now. Same thing. We're going to copy and we're going to paste them into Ahrefs and figure out what keywords they're targeting, what backlinks they're targeting that we're not targeting, right? So right here, we can figure out local electricians. I didn't see this one on your guys' site. It could be on there. I could be wrong. I haven't gone over the whole thing, but 8,800 search volume. Local electricians, 2,900 searches. Called Jeremy. That's totally irrelevant, but it's, huge search volume. The list just goes on and on and on. We can take it from these guys. We can take it from other companies, all right? We want to figure out what other people are doing with keywords online that are helping them out. And we can take it and we can put it in all of our content. Not to mention backlinks as well. We want to go over backlinks, right? Because that's a huge part of it. Let's see what Jeremy's doing for backlinks right now. You guys are at 2.3 thousand. It's a lot of the times it's a numbers game, but for the most part, we want relevant ones. We want good, powerful backlinks, right? So you guys are doing about similar on backlinks, which is great. The fact that you guys are going to be able to have more eventually is awesome, but we want to make sure we have the right kinds of backlinks. We don't want to have spammy or backlinks that are going to fall off. You see all backlinks at some point in time. But we want to have citations. We want to have link juice. We want to have guest posts. Right here, this expertise.com. This is a guest post. This is a website that is talking about best electricians, right? We also have yellow pages, white pages, Facebook. Those are all citations anywhere that has your business name, phone number, email address, location. Chamber of Commerce, that's a guest post. We want guest posts. They're expensive, but they're very high, powerful sites. Not to mention also, we have the Google search engine and Google Map Pack portion of the online digital marketing area that we like to target. We have you guys right here, PAR Electrical Contractors. You guys currently only have 20 reviews. We want to make sure that the reviews are going up, right? Let's see right here. We got Mr. Sparky, 712. Jeremy Electric, almost 400, right? We want to make sure that we have all the right pictures. We want to match them for pictures. If they have 12 pictures, you guys want to have 15. If they have a good about summary or a good anything in their information section, right? We want to compare and contrast that, figure out what they're doing that we're not doing. We can go back and forth on this stuff all day. And it's just phenomenal that all the information is right at our fingertips. So, with that being said, everybody over at Par Electric, again, my name is Josh Nelson. I hope you guys found this video useful and helpful in any way, shape, or form. Guys can use this and put it to work yourself. If not, we'd be happy to help you or assist you along the way if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. That being said, guys, thank you for your time and have a great day.